I've been using this product for about a week now and it works great. Now without further ado, let's get right into it.
Firstly, we want to understand how this ball-weighing tool works. It's very simple and I won't take too much time on this. Step 1, find your thinning area. For me, it's mainly around my frontal part 40 degrees north of my forehead, 2 inches right there. Now we're going to want to apply this to dry hair after you've styled it with a product, if any at all. The products here consist of the shaker and the applicator. If you want to be more specific with the application, use this. You want to flip this wonderful thing upside down and squeeze. This helps with precision and lets you apply without overdoing it. If there's not so much precision required, use a shaker. Season your head just so the fibers cover the spot. It's important you don't overdo it. After you're done applying, pat the fibers in and you're good to go. But if you want to go the extra mile, SureThik has its alcohol-free holding spray. This essentially gives the fibers that extra hold throughout the day. Now check this difference out. As you can see, my hair looks so much better. For another perspective, let's take my dad's head for use. This is what his head looked before SureThik, and this is after. Now the great thing about these fibers is they do not leak. You can go outside for a run, work up a sweat, and do all of this without having black ink leak down your face.
Okay, as you can see, I am working up a bit of a sweat. There's no leakage as of now. Basically, the SureThik products, they are waterproof. Everything looks good. You don't need to worry about having all the fibers dripping down your face. However, if you do want to take out the fibers, all you need to do is take a shower, shampoo your hair, and you're all good.